morning, everybody. Just got real busy all of a sudden here. Got a truck of rustic that just came in. This guy's waiting, I got Larry waiting. So I gotta get them all loaded up. It was weird. One moment it's nice and quiet, sun's out. Next morning,
trees, I gotta go dump them.
Okay.
I'll come back in a little bit.
All right, I'll remember.
Yeah.
Just pull up same spot and I'll get you loaded up. All right, well.
1 Algonquin, 1 to 2 Riverwalk. 1 Algonquin, 1 to 2 Riverwalk.
10-4. The customer who got the 1.5 3/4 TB, he looked in the back of his truck and it's full of bushes, so I told him just to come back and I will remember that he got 1.5. So he's just gonna come back and pull in the same spot.
10-4, we'll watch for him pulling in. At least he's got a memorable vehicle.
Oh, come on. This pile's always a pain to get to, but that's a full bucket, so we're good. And then he has been coming all morning and basically just getting his own scoops. They're working down the street, so he gets his own scoop and then he drives down the street, so. I think he said 1 to 2. Just double checking, Larry. You said 1 to 2, right?
1 to 2 Algonquin, yes.
10-4, that pile's just at the back there.
Sorry.
All right. So I've got him dumping now. Once he's done, I might try and push it up with this machine. Sweet, so I'm gonna let him dump that out. And then after I'm gonna push this up. So I will see you guys then. Okay, so he finally finished dumping that off. I got 2 guys I gotta load here quick. First one's getting some classic. And the second guy, I'm not sure yet, but this stuff's pretty dark, like compared to what was left there. Trying to go as gently as possible because he's got a kid in the window, and I don't want to cover him with mulch, you know, so. And what would the trailer like?
3 coffee brown.
Wrong way. I've really been warming up to this machine lately, just because of how like quick and nimble it is. Try and spread it around for this guy. Sometimes I wish they would just like wait till the end, because it almost like settles itself, and then I just pat it down and it's like, you know, I just saved you all of that work. So. Like if you put the tarp over that, that's not going anywhere, right? So, but I will never be the person to tell them. Listen, if you want to hop in the trailer and play with your mulch, that is your own prerogative. I will not stop you. So, I'm gonna get the slightly bigger bucket. That one's 1, the other one's 1.5. I'd like to get a 2-yard bucket for this machine. A 2-yard bucket and a set of forks would be the dream, but well, actually, the dream would be upgrading this to a 914 or a 918, and then getting a 3-yard bucket. But oh, this bucket's gonna be a pain. I gotta like drag it back a bit because it's so unlevel. Come on, I'm gonna have to drag it pretty far here. Come on, just get to a level spot. Okay, that's not bad. Come on. Oh my gosh. I gotta drag it down because it's not the bucket, it's actually my tires. There we go. That took a lot longer than I would hoped, but that's the thing with this like quick attach mechanism versus the 30. The 30 has like almost a lip on the buckets where I can kind of hit it and the bucket will turn. This one, you have to be straight on. There is no leeway. So, oh. And that's why you check before you push stuff up, because that was full. Usually, oh, not usually, you have to turn the like auto ride adjustment off, because if you do this, it will not let you put the bucket or the blade flush with the ground. It'll just raise the bucket. Just gonna clean this up. Don't need this mess. One more. Awesome. Yeah, but look at the difference in color. I'll get out and show you. But like this stuff, granted this has been sitting out for a bit, but even like you dig into a bit, the part where it's not faded, it's like you got like a darker red and you got, this is almost brown. Smells the same though. There's the other machine. Oh man. We're good. All right. let's try pushing this up with this guy. Shouldn't be too hard, but I've never really done it with this one. Just because, I don't know. It's usually better to do with the 30. Because you kind of have to climb the pile a bit. Which I'm going to keep it in eco mode. And it's easier to do on the 30 because the tires are so much wider. The tires on this guy are a little dinky, but... Excuse me. And the 30 is more of like a bulldozer. This one's gonna take some serious. Like I'm full throttling there and it's barely moving. Come on. Should push it over a little bit. All right. Man, excuse me again. Man, I got like a freaking tickle in my throat that I can't shake. Man, a 2-yard bucket on this thing would just be game changing. And just like a little bit extra power is all I want in this machine. And I would probably use it all day over the 30. But you just can't get it. Like, even here, like you can mess with these a little bit. That'll probably push up a bit. But two people just pulled in, so. Trying to get it into the corner there. Oh. There we go.
One 3/4 clear. 1 3/4 clear.
I gotta grab that. I'm still waiting for we're supposed to get a hemlock in today as well. I think that's it. Oh, and river rock later today. Shake this off that. What is that sound? can't tell what that is. It's kind of worrying me though. I think it was 1 3/4 clear. That was 1 3/4 clear for the trailer.
1 3/4 clear.
Yeah, after I load this guy up, I'm gonna hop out and see if I can figure out what that sound is, because it's kind of worrying me, but not really. I checked this already. Oh, I'm losing it. Straight up losing it. It's not the door, is it? No, the door's locked.
New wave will be getting 2.5 3/4 clear. New wave is getting 2.5 3/4 clear.
I could be losing it here. That sound went away. Like, I just backed up in reverse, and I was trying to listen for it, and I didn't hear it. Like, no, it's not doing it. So oh, I don't know. It could just be like the smallest thing, but I'm skeptical because this thing's like brand new. I don't think it would be anything, but you know what I'm craving right now? A nice Burger King Whopper. I actually scratched that, not the Whopper, the Bacon King. Those things are so good. But they're like 1,100 calories for just the burger. Which is like insane. Alright, I am going to finish pushing up this pile. I won't show you guys the rest because it's pretty boring, but I will see you in a bit.